never me najua kushina wase sanse na mpes rather nini senge ge chinja mali
reaction.
Yo, viewers and subscribers, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Now, this is a new genre of music that I'm gonna tap into real quick, and the reason why I'm doing it is because of the comments I've been seeing and the videos that I've been reacting to. So yeah, I react to strictly Caribbean music, dancehall, everything, Trinidad, all of that, from Prince Moore, the Vibes Cartel, Popcorn, Massacre, you name it, you feel me? Right now we're touching on artist name Toxic Lyrikali. Is that how you pronounce the name, Gerald? You see me I say? The song is called Chinje. He's from Nairobi, Kenya. That's how we got to say, don't it? Kenya's been like the #1 commenters in every single comment section. You know, so I tried to one up this song so far, and it's like, it's on the dancehall beats. So why not give it a run for its money? Why not give it a listen? So I'm giving it a listen right now. So what I want you guys to do is recommend some more songs I'm to react from Kenya, and I will do it for you right away. You don't know chapter, we don't play over here. So let's get straight to the video. Leave a like on the video. Drop comments on some song you want me to react from Kenya. Any song you think I would like, and if there's any songs in English too, drop it down below. I'll definitely check it out for y'all, you feel me? But turn this video up, smash the like button, drop some comments. If you don't know what to comment some fire emoji. Let's see what Toxic Lyrikali has to say right now. This is our first Kenyan reaction. Let's get to it. Right through.
Yo Dre
Alright then.
Stevie
What are did that? He has grills?
Stevie Boka.
Of course, I put the English subtitles on there because obviously not singing in English, is me. So I think it's Swahili. What language did I say? I'm not very sure. I think it's Swahili. Let's get straight to it. Earn it.
Mbokadoba.
What does that mean?
Yeah, stona kosi na kujuu ya dim. Maanga shikamorio, kuna vile tutakatiana. Ni headbutt nilimkataka ni point na panga. Nikona yangu naona tukikatiana. Staki ngori mob, staki ho, staki kasiro. Skuji kasido, kasindom, nafanya na float. Staki ngori mob, staki ho, staki kasiro. Skuji kasido, kasindom, nafanya na float.
Yeah, I have to read the captions though, but Jago was like, hold on. It's a little simple the beat like. But I thought, hey, if you never react, if you guys are coming some more for me to react, I think by the end of the year I'll be fluent in your language. Watch.
Staki ngori mob, staki ho, staki kasiro. Skuji kasido, kasindom, nafanya na float. Siko na tianka ingia Chinje.
When I was a barber, the guy did it. Okay.
Pake kama bob hezi kafanya ni change. One dead never me najua kushina wase sanse na mpes rather nini senge ge chinja maliza ule le sebe finya ndo ni squeeze mwere screen clear lazima itoshe mwere sezi achana na aende niko soba nasikia lakini si poa tasikia poa nikianza kukohoa na
Hola. Go on. The bike man, oh my gosh, go on.
Chinja maliza ule le sebe finya ndo ni squeeze mwere screen clear lazima itoshe mwere sezi achana na aende niko soba nasikia lakini si poa tasikia poa nikianza kukohoa inakubalika wakituona wanajiondoa tudum cheki ngoge kwa.
Is the house on fire? They live in just Netflix intro. Check the clues. You could stand back. What? Hold on, but is the house burned? What the hell?
Kukohoa inakubalika
Acceptable if they see us. They're like, alright, go on.
wakituona wanajiondoa tudum cheki ngoge koshanza kutoa sini mabuda kwa bizi kababa tunawanyoa lukudiriba tisho ya madoa ni mpoa kinikisi ndo napoa kanimejaa mchaleke alinidhigidha menondo na mngoa rivyo mepasuka cheki na overflow kani videvu na rusha kata iso malini choni lakini kata iso sindo wale tulichora makula kwa blackboard sizi medubet na kuna murio asidi onifalo mejipimp bado weni pibi kona mling tatu moja ndo kona risiti.
I just did like 4 videos back to back. The camera blinkers. If the video cut off, just know say we still gonna drop the reaction phone, the old fashioned way. We just record this, but the camera blink red. But run through.
Cheki chuo mgia chuo mkaribu ofisi stona akosi na kujua dimanga shikamorio kuna vile tutakatiana ni headbutt nilimkataka ni point na panga niko na yangu naona tukikatiana staki ngori mob staki ho staki kasiro skuji kasido kasindom nafanya na float staki ngori mob staki ho staki kasiro skuji kasido kasindom
Vipa Max. Go on.
nafanya na float
Gucci pants.
Short call, serious biz, long call, huwa ni mafia Pita mandazi upate chai No smile na medina mtiaji sometimes siezi fry na bado sija kufry my guy step mos boss neza kosa kona kesho niki
Boss. Hola.
step mos
Boss, you're making a mistake. You're making okay.
boss neza kosa kona kesho Kina chok bila filtration kesho ile tiang na ingia soko imerast kuna kushona ni tetanus bei ni mweru lakini asset ni second hand mabunde tumejibebea mapepeta staki ngori mob siezi force mambo kazi run stona akosi na kujua dimanga shikamorio kuna vile tutakatiana ni headbutt nilimkataka ni point na pa anga niko na yangu naona tukikatiana staki ngori mob staki ho staki kasiro skuji kasido kasindom nafanya na float staki ngori mob staki ho staki kasiro skuji kasido kasindom nafanya na float na kujia dimanga shikamorio kuna vile
tutakatiana. So this is from my first Kenyan reaction. I like it. Hopefully the video gets to the right audience, get recommends to y'all over there in Kenya so y'all could recommend some more songs for me to react from over there that y'all want to see me react to, that y'all think I would enjoy and understand more, because this one here is I have to like pause and be reading, in between the song, but he was on beat and I fuck with it. As I say, so leave a like, drop some comments, recommend some more songs, and I guess what, I'll see you on another video. Subscribe to the channel, let's get to 100k subscribers right about now. Reaction by signing out. Yes.